Hi, hello, good morning. I'm Vigneswaran Analaki Subarayan. So today I'm going to do a video presentations about the Minimata disease. So first of all, in my slide, I have include the introductions of the Minimata disease and the mercury poisoning. Second, the case study of the Minimata disease. So we need to know how the Minimata disease was occur, when the disease was occur, and how we want to prevent the Minimata disease. Next is the environmental effect and health effect from the Minimata disease. Next is the legal actions. Legal action means the law which is taken from the Minimata disease. Next is the strategy or the way to reduce the Minimata disease. And last but not least is the suggestion or prevention. If this incident was happen in Malaysia, how we want to going to reduce or prevent this kind of incident. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce what is the mercury poisoning. Okay, first of all, the mercury poisoning is referred to the toxicity from mercury conceptions. Toxic metal is the type of mercury that come with different kind of form within the environment. Mercury poisoning, the most common cause, consuming too much of methyl mercury or organic mercury, and it was linked to the seafood. Okay, so for your kind info, mercury are present in everyday food and product, and it will not affect in our health. The mercury are producing too much, however it will be poisoning. And then mercury metal its way into soil and water, even for the animal like fish also it will be affected. So this is the introduction of the mercury poisoning. Second, we go into the symptom of mercury poisoning. First, depression, headache. Second, memory problem. Then numbness to hand and feet. Last one is rashes. So normally if we get this kind of symptom, it's definitely of the mercury poisoning. So the next is health effect of the mercury poisoning. So health effect, inhalation of mercury vapor produce harmful for the nervous, digestive, immune system, lungs, kidney, and it may be fatal. Okay, so the next we going to discuss you about the case study about the mercury poisoning. Okay, the mercury poisoning, it was affected at Minamata, Japan between 1932 and 1968, where a factory producing acetic acid discharged waste liquid into Minamata Bay. A company name of Cisco is the one of the biggest Japan's company. At the same time, they are also released into the Minamata Bay. Okay, so the thing is how the Minamata disease was happened. Actually, the discharge of the melty mercury. So this is the thing which happened Minamata disease. There was discharged the melty mercury, and the animals, the human also be affected from the mini-matter disease. Next, so the environmental effect of the mini-matter disease. First is get the environmental pollution. Second, aquatic environment and certain bacteria it's convert into the melty mercury. Third is bioaccumulate on fish and other aquatic animals also be affected. So the ecosystem and extra they will be affected also for the mini-matter disease. Okay, next the health effect of the mini-matter disease. First of is sensor loss affecting of both auditory and visual effect. Okay, blindness and deafness in children. So this kind of symptom and effect from the mini-matter disease. Okay, next we going to do the legal action is taken from the mini-matter disease. Okay, first of all, the legal action is there was a water pollution control law. So that means the water was be prevent from they are discharged into the sea. Okay, first of all there was a water prevention. Second, restoring of the environment. So that means there are sludge treatment program. The last one is the promotion of research and investigation. Okay, they have a large of the number for investigate how the disease was happen in the Japan. Okay, the strategy or reduce of the mini-matter disease. First of all, to identify the root cause of the mini-matter disease. This is the main important. So we need to identify how the disease was happen. So we need have a huge of people to investigate how the mini-matter disease was happen. So we collect all the information and we find the root cause and we try to eliminate the disease from happen. Second, ban of fishing. So if the melty mercury was discharged in the sea, so the fishermen was going to the fishing and they will get the poisoning fish, and then if they will eat, so it will be effect to their family. And then we need to educate, do the awareness, do the training for those people are need know about the mercury poisoning. So this is the thing we need to prevent or reduce the mini-matter disease. Okay, the strategy to prevent issue happen in Malaysia. Okay, first of all, we need to implement the toxic waste regulation. Okay, in our law they have a regulation, so we need to maintain that. Second, implement waste in practice. Third, provide designated waste facility. Okay, we don't dump all the waste in the sea, so we need to provide a good facility. Okay, the last one is conclusions. So in the mini-matter disease we have a lot of losing their families, their animals and fellow friend. So we need to try avoid this. Okay, so I think that's all from my video presentations. I would like to thank to everyone so giving the good opportunity to present.